Hello, I'm Bob Furlong, and I'm the Honors Biology teacher at Otsego High School. And if you're watching this video, it probably means that you have a child who is in my Honors Bio class this year. I want to take just a few minutes to talk a little bit about this class. First of all, biology is not what it used to be when we were in high school. Back then we may have taken notes on an overhead projector or dissected some kind of an animal. But today's biology is very different from that. Today we are separating DNA using gel electrophoresis, or we're looking to see how various factors will affect how a biological molecule works. We're going to be measuring oxygen concentrations produced by plants to measure the rate of photosynthesis. And we'll be going outside to measure things like water quality and how that affects stuff like the algae blooms in Lake Erie. In the learning process, to really understand something, we have to go through different levels of understanding. As we can see in this diagram here, this is known as Bloom's taxonomy, where we start out at some of the basics, just remembering facts and then be able to understand them. But then we have to go further than that. We have to be able to apply and analyze, to evaluate these things, and ultimately to create something. Normally in schools, we do those easy things, the remembering and understanding of facts at school, and then we give homework assignments where we expect kids to analyze and apply this information to create something. For any parent that's ever done a book report, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But in this class, we're going to be flipping those models. We're going to do the easy stuff at home, and we're going to do the hard stuff at school, where when I am present with them, in order to help them really develop a true understanding of these concepts. So I'm going to be applying what is known as the flipped classroom this year. Essentially, what a flipped classroom is, instead of students taking notes in class and wasting a lot of class time, they're going to go home and they're going to watch a video and take notes from the video. Now these are short videos. These are normally about 8 minutes long on average. They'll be assigned anywhere from 2 to 3 times per week, and they'll get that basic information. Then when they come into class, we can do all of these great things to help deepen their learning. So I'm very excited about these changes that are taking place. And in study after study, it has been shown that students who are in flipped classrooms do much better than those who are not in flipped classrooms, both in the grades that they receive, but also on standardized test scores. So I'm very excited about what's going to be taking place this year. If you ever want to get a hold of me, if you have any questions or comments that you would like to make, I can be reached several places. You can email me. You can follow me on Twitter. You can check out my website, as well as our Google Classroom site, which has all the homework assignments and all the activities posted. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you soon.